Hi there, I'm Darren Williams from Fandangle Productions, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a GIF viewer. A GIF is an animated image, and I'll just show you for example how this works. We're looking for a directory that holds the GIFs, so I'm just looking for the particular directory. Open that up, and there we go. And I can use my up and down keys. It's out of view. I'll expand that. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can make this GIF viewer. I love this animation. I feel like that sometimes on the computer. Yeah. Okay, so this is the GIF viewer that we'll be making, and what we will be using is wxFormBuilder. So I'll be explaining the procedure of what I do in creating what I call a project. Up here it's called a project anyway. So what I do is I'm getting started right now actually. What I do is I've created a folder called Gif Viewer, and in that folder I will create another folder called desk code. I'll explain in a minute what that is. The next one is called FB, and the next one is called SRC. The reason why I create these folders, FB stands for Form Builder. I had to think then. Form Builder. Okay, so all the Form Builder project files will go in here. When you've created your GUI, that's what Form Builder is. It's a GUI builder. Once you've built it, you then want to save the code, the wxPython code, that will generate the GUI that you've built. Now with wxPython, the first tab here in the editor is a designer, so you get to see what the form looks like. And then we have C++ code, Python code, PHP, Lua, and XRC. What I'll be focusing on obviously is Python, the Python code. Now you don't edit this code because this code you can't run it with Python, and you'll get errors. I'll explain why later on, but at this stage what we will do is I'm explaining how I start a new project. There's a lot of settings that you have to organize before you even start building your form. So as I said, I created 3 files. So what happens is when you create the file, the Form Builder file, you put it in the FB folder, then the code that is generated, this code here, the Python code in Form Builder, you save that into the desk code. Originally I called it decode, but there was a problem with Windows because decode is a keyword, so I just call it desk code. So I know that I need to decode this and then transfer it into the source folder. You'll be able to understand as when we start building the GUI, and I'll provide the code that's needed to convert this Python code into workable Python code so that you can then make use of the functions and operations. So we click designer, so this is where we'll see the form being built. Now the first step is we're in the properties, make sure you click the project in the object tree. the project file, which is here. So what I do is I go FB, which tells me that's Form Builder, and I'll call it Gif Viewer. Here, just Gif Viewer. Okay, now the path. Now this project file will be saved in the FB folder. So what I do is I highlight that, copy it, Control C, then I save, and go into Form Builder templates. There's my Gif Viewer. I go into FB, and then I paste FB Viewer. It will save as a wxFormBuilder project file, FBP, Form Builder project file. Save that. So now I've saved it. Now the path. This is where the Python code will be saved. Okay, so now we go into our Gif Viewer folder, and the code will go in the desk code folder. So I right click on desk code up the top on the address bar, copy address as text. Then I go into wxFormBuilder where it says path, highlight that dot, Control V, paste. Okay, so now that is where the Python generated code will go. Now this here, code generation, this really annoys me because I tend to forget, because I'm so excited about building a GUI that I tend to forget this, and then I think, where's the Python code? I've got code that will convert it from the wxFormBuilder code into actual Python code so I can run it. What you need to do is click this plus here to open up code generation, and it is set on C++. This is very frustrating, and I wish that the designers would put up here in edit, up here, preferences, and so you can select what is the default language that you would like to program in your GUI. I don't want C++, I want Python. So I'd love to be able to set that. I haven't actually looked at the code. There's probably a way of setting it there. That could be another tutorial. But yeah, untick C++, tick Python. Okay, then close it, and then up here you can see it's Python. So the Python code that will be generated by wxFormBuilder will be saved in this folder, the desk code folder. So now that's it. That's all you need to do to set up the project. Okay, I'll leave it at that. The next tutorial will be about how to create the form, the actual form, designing it, and also explaining about the sizes, which is it can be a little daunting to understand. So hopefully I'll be able to explain it simply for you. Okay, so till the next tutorial, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment on my channel or with the video when you view it on YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye.